Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Dahi Meat. Dahi Meat is a yogurt based goat curry. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need 0.5 kg goat meat, 300 gram yogurt, 2 tablespoons dried fenugreek leaves, 3 green chilies, 0.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 0.5 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 0.5 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 0.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 2-inch chopped ginger, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 5 black peppercorns, 4 green cardamom, 5 cloves, 2 dried red chilies, 1 black cardamom, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 sliced onions and 1/4 cup oil. Now for the recipe, first for marination, add yogurt to the goat meat, then add coriander powder, cumin seeds powder, turmeric powder, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala, fenugreek leaves, green chilies and mix. Leave this marinated goat in the fridge for 4 hours to overnight. Next, in a wok, add oil and turn the flame on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add bay leaves, black peppercorns, green cardamom, cloves, dry red chilies, black cardamom, cinnamon stick and cumin seeds and mix. Once the cloves start to splutter, add sliced onions and mix. Once the onion starts to change the color, add ginger and garlic and mix. When the garlic loses its raw smell, add marinated goat and turn the flame on high. Cook the goat on high flame for 10 to 15 minutes until the goat changes its color. This is done so that the juices are intact inside the goat. After the goat is seared, turn the flame to medium low and cover and cook for 1 to 1.5 hours until the goat is cooked while mixing in between. The goat is now cooked. If you need more gravy in the curry, then add 1 cup of hot water and mix. Turn the flame on high and once boiled, turn it to medium low and cover and cook for 5 minutes. Your dahi meat is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add cumin rice in a small bowl and place it inverted in the center of the bowl. Add curry on the sides of the bowl. Place goat pieces on top of the rice. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, place gravy of goat curry on one side of the platter. Add goat pieces on top of it. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, place gravy of goat curry on one side of the plate. Add some cumin rice on top of it. Next, add goat pieces on top of it. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.